guys. Today I want to talk about why I decided to end my Airbnb business. It's a couple of reasons. First, I think that is too much work. That's a 3-bed, 2-bath, single family house with pool, have big backyard and big front yard. They need 4 people to clean it at least 3 hours after each customer checkout. Then I still have a lot of washing work to do at home. After that, there's no time to do something else. Yeah. And also I need to pay electric, the water, internet, and TV, and something else. It's kind of hard for a new host to make your calendar fully booked. It's so easy to book at a weekend, but if your week have 1 or 2 days left, it's hard to get booked, even you lower your rate. Okay, you might be doing a good job and you get your month fully booked, but even fully booked, the gross income for me is just 1,000. 1,000 for 4 people, that much works for a month? I don't think it's worth it. And also another reason is because the customers. Yes, I have good customer. They're fabulous, they're wonderful, they keep your house very clean, and they text you messages, say thank you after they check out, and they left 5-star review for you, and I want to say thank you so much, guys. I am so appreciated, and your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much, thank you. But I also get bad customer. Like some customer, they waste all the towels in the room to remove their lipsticks. I'm sorry. Maybe it's my fault. I didn't left the cotton pad to let you remove your makeup. But how many lips you have it? You can use one if you really want it. Why you waste all of them? And some people stand on the sheets, a big stand on the quilt. I don't want to imagine what is that. And for one time I have a king size quilt. I need to go out use extra large washer to wash it. And some customer, after they check out, I found I lost 7 big family size bottles of shampoo and body wash. Why? I called Airbnb customer services, and they said, okay, I can open that case for you and you can request the money. And I said, can you just open that case and I can request the money after 14 days? If I request right now, I might be get a bad review. And they said, I know, if it expired after 14 days, we cannot accept that case anymore. Then I get a bad review immediately. And after a couple days, I received an email from Airbnb customer services, and they said, I'm sorry, and the shampoo and body wash is not covered by our policy. There's no refund for you. Okay, why you tell me earlier? So I called the customer service again and left a message to the manager and said, I request this money. Then I got the bad review right away. There's something wrong here. Can you just think about it? And a couple days later, I received another email. They said, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I cannot remove the bad review. That's it. Wonderful. Okay, that is why. And right now, the fabulous time, coronavirus, there's no reservations. And I also don't want to take that risk to take any reservation. So that's it. We think that that's a time for us to end that business. And here I want to thank you, my guest, again. Thank you for your support, and also want to thank the Airbnb customer services. That 2 ladies and they helped me. They helped me, and they listened to my complaints. And thank you for all the people who helped me here and all the people who support me here. Thank you so much. That's it. Wish you guys good luck. Bye.